English?
Yes, I do. I'm very confused. What can I do for you, Golden?
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm on tourist for Malaysia and I want to going around. I think I need a partner. Do you want to be my guide?
Yes, of course. I know this place very well. There's no problem if I accompany you while explaining many things of this beautiful place.
Okay, thank you very much. So, how much I need to pay?
You just have to spend $1.
Okay, please give me your best reviews.
Sure, I will do my best.
Okay, what place can we going to start?
And hour later, we will arrive at Reckless Landing Site. Have you ever heard about this place?
No, can you tell me that?
The Reckless Landing Site is the location where traditional homes. The Reckless Landing Site is the location where traditional home dance is Stamford Reckless landed in on January 29, 1819. 1819 landed rested 10 days. During this period, he concluded that when the Romans rulers.
Wow, what a great story. I can't wait to see it. Oh, I want going to Jakarta and I think and my plane is 1 o'clock. See you later.
Thank you.
Tepuk tangan, tepuk tangan.